Do you mix up say and tell? You're not alone, but after this 60-second lesson, you'll never be confused again. We will explore the difference between these two very common verbs, say and tell. While they both relate to communication, they are used in different ways. Let's go. The golden rule you need to remember: you say something, and you tell someone something. See the difference? Say focuses on the words that were spoken. It's more general, while tell focuses on the person who receives the information. It must have a person right after it. It's a social word. When to use say? Say is often used to report a person's exact words, direct speech, or to report the general idea of what they said, indirect speech. Rules for say. With direct speech, quoting someone, we use say when we want to show the exact words a person spoke. He said, "I am tired." She said, "What time is it?" With indirect speech, we can use say to report the content of a message. We often use the word that after said, but it is optional. He said that he was tired. She said that she didn't know the answer. To mention something without a specific listener, we often use say when we don't mention the person who heard the words. What did you say? The sign says stop. When to use tell? Tell is used when you are giving information, instructions, or a story to a specific person. You almost always need a direct object, a person or pronoun like me, you, him, her, us, them, after tell. Rules for tell. To give information or a story to someone, for example, "Can you tell me your name?" He told us a funny story. She told him the secret. To give an instruction or command. The teacher told the students to be quiet. Tell me what to do. Rule number 3. For certain phrases and expressions: tell the truth, tell a lie, tell a joke, tell a secret. Common mistakes to avoid. Incorrect: he told hello to me. Correct: he said hello to me, because we are focusing on the words. Incorrect: he said me the truth. Correct: he told me the truth, because you are telling a person. See the difference? Let's test it. Complete this sentence. She dash me a story. Write your answer in the comment. Did you think told? You're right, because we have me, the person. She told me a story. One more. They dash goodbye. No person? You say, they said goodbye. Easy, right? Say plus something. Tell plus someone plus something. Boom! You've got it. For more English secrets that actually work, subscribe now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will reply to them. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next lesson.